Hello beautiful people, welcome to Rehab, where we post braids and natural hair compilation videos of other content creators, and I do not claim any of this video. In case you find any of these videos helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, yes, and also comment down below which hairstyle you found the best. So today we're going to talk about straight back stitch braids hairstyle, which is a popular protective hairstyle that can be worn by women. Not only is it a stylish way to style your hair, it is also a protective way to protect your natural hair from damage, and it also protects your hairline.
Well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain.
Braid these stitch lines, it involves braiding the hair very close to the scalp in a straight line or a curvy line. It depends on the inspiration and also the stylist. This hairstyle, it creates a sleek and a smooth look that is wonderful for those who has a natural curly or a textured hair. The braids can be created using braids or human extension, and the size of the braids, it can be customized according to your preference. There are different type of braids which you can rock in 2023. These stitch braids, one of them is a freestyle stitch braid with a heart design, and it has a special way of making you look stylish and beautiful. This hairstyle is a flexible protective style that can be customized in different lengths and sizes, and it is an amazing option for anyone who wants to try out something new, something creative. This heart inspired style, it's not an easy one to come up with, but it's worth the effort because it makes you look great. The best way to ensure that this style ends up how you wanted it to be, it's to give your hairdresser an inspiration photo so that they can create the look how you wanted it. When it comes to styling, there are different ways in which you can style these stitch back braids. You can leave them loose or add some beads at the end or some rings or other accessories. You can also curl it at the end, and also another way to make them pop, you can add a different color at the bottom of your braids. We have more designs and inspiration which I have showcased. Please enjoy the rest of the video, and thank you for watching. Bye, see you on the next one.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.